Good morning. Good morning, Applejacks. No, it's me that's late. Thank you stopped me out and then went lower. It has been a very crazy morning. I've missed a lot of trades. I kind of wasn't really concentrating either. That's why it took me a minute to get here. I just couldn't concentrate. So, good morning, Amelia. Could not concentrate this morning. So, I think, let me see. I don't even know how many trades I've taken. I don't know anything this morning. Let's see. I've taken 4 trades. 1, 2, lost 1, broke even on 1. And I'm quite sure the trade that I lost, yeah, I know it wasn't valid. It was a pullback to my middle half trend, and it was covering the entire zone. Like the entry bar was covering the entire zone. I don't trade that. Don't ask. Okay, just don't ask. So yeah, that was that. That was that. But we're here. We're gonna try to get this thing going. Take that one. How are you guys this morning? Applejacks, I know you're stewing in anger because NQ stopped you out just to keep going. All right. My goal is to fucking concentrate now, okay? That's all I need to do. Concentrate, get my shit together, okay? And I mean, I was missing good stuff too. I mean, real good stuff. Can't take that because it's rotation levels here. But at least it wasn't something where like I was just sitting out of the trades. I was just genuinely like I said, I just couldn't concentrate this morning. I really couldn't. Somebody at work pulled out. What is that? What's Zen? Wait. First of all, a smokeless nicotine pouch? What? What is going on in the world? What? Baby, I'm dumbfounded. I hope you kindly told them to fuck off. What is wrong with people? All right, I'm gonna watch this trade. The way it's rotating on two levels, I was just writing this out yesterday where I don't know how I want to trade this yet. It looks like it would have broke even. I think I actually just rather not trade it at all if I'm being completely honest. But I don't know. We'll see, I guess, over time. I can't get none with you. Yeah, I'm not that type looking out for DW. Yeah, I've missed a lot. Oh yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be trading on. See, this is the trade that I lost earlier. You see how the entry bar is covering the entire zone? I lost that trade earlier, and that's why I don't trade it. But I don't think I was fully paying attention. I could trade it if it's covering one side and not the other, but when it's covering literally the whole thing. But yeah, I don't know if I'll be here on Monday. I will let you guys know for sure tomorrow, because I don't know just yet. Nicotine gum. I heard about all the 20-year-olds love it. Oh, is it? It looks like, okay. So the container looks like it's gum, but then this thing says Zen is a brand of nicotine pouches. Maybe it's a pouch because gum is a pouch of gum. I don't know. The level of confusion. Good morning, Scooby Dooby. Oh, congratulations. And thank you for using my code. Congratulations. What size account did you get? Thankfully, I watched a random YouTube video about it a few weeks ago. I thought it was mint at first. Is that my jury? No, jury duty doesn't start until September 18th. Y'all see how the old levels that I draw still hold up? I just don't like them being on my charts. And why are my eyes so tired right now? That doesn't feel good. I got pressure in my eyes. So it is pouches? Dude, the pouches like burst in your mouth or something? What? That didn't sound great. But I genuinely am confused. Pouches of what? You know, back in the day, I understood why people smoked because you genuinely didn't know the dangers of it. But for anyone nowadays to, like anybody in our generation and below us who partakes in, sorry if you are a smoker, but anybody who partakes in it now, it's like, what are you doing? Like, even when things started to come out about hookah, what are you doing? Are you okay? Are you all right? Yeah. Wait, I kind of need that one there. Oh, it pushed up before I wanted it to. Oh, you leave it on your gum, so it's kind of like what do they call that? Snuff, kind of. Yeah, we've known about it for too long at this point. Like, first of all, y'all don't remember all them commercials with the people with the holes in their throats from smoking cigarettes? And some of them still will smoke cigarettes through that hole. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. $25,000. I got you. I got you. 25K. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I am ready to trade my PA. I am. I really am. I really am. I was telling my friend last night that depending on how today and tomorrow went, I might start trading the PA. Because remember, it's a 25K anyway, and I really don't kind of want it. But I don't know. Maybe what I'll do is when one of these accounts is halfway to passing, then I'll do it probably. Maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. I genuinely don't know. But I don't know. I just feel like I've been making so much progress, you know, ever since the 19th. And it would be nice to just start trading my PA. But like I've told you guys when I first passed it on accident in March, I want to wait until I pass the next eval first. But it's kind of hard wanting to continue waiting when I've just made so much progress since July 19th. The very reason why I just went ahead and carried the balance forward yesterday, or you know, today, because it's like I literally wrote down in my journal, like, I'm not carrying the balance forward because I feel so confident in the strategy that I feel like I would actually be wasting time not carrying the balance forward. Because you guys know, like, normally I fail it, it renews, I sit on it for a week, and then the following Monday after not trading it for a week is when I start trading it. And I feel like that would be a complete waste of time now. So I'm just kind of at that point where it's like, what do I do? I don't know. I don't know. Genuinely don't know. Okay, wait. All right, I don't want that order there. Oh, wait. Cancel order. That entry was actually late and yeah. It is what it is, but it worked out. So whatever. The trade invalidated itself right before the bar closed, so I was actually trying to get out of the trade. But it took off too fast. I won't be upset. What time from? I think you're asking, oh, what time frame am I on? That's a 10-second chart. I don't know if you can see right there. That's a 10-second chart, but I'm trading from 16 and 1 Renkos. Brick size 16, 1 tick thresholds. Good morning, Rio. Y'all drink Liquid Death. That's a energy drink, right? I feel like I saw that at Ross one day, but I could be wrong. Is that what that is? I saw it and I saw a bunch of skulls on it and I didn't know what it was, and I just said to myself, now who the hell would want to drink something called Liquid Death? I'm confuzzled. I'm genuinely confuzzled. Oh, it's flavored sparkling water? Why would you call it liquid death? Applejacks, I swear to you, I would have never. First of all, when I saw liquid death, I didn't even go look to see what it was because I just wasn't interested in anything that's called liquid death. I would never have guessed that it was that. Are they tripping? Why y'all playing? Why is y'all playing? Hold on, I gotta look at something real quick. Okay, next I'm gonna pick some up. I'll get a can because I think they sell it in individual cans and then they sell it in the I guess maybe like an 8 or 12 pack or something. I can't believe it's actually good. It does look like an energy drink. I might have to try it if it's just. I legit thought that it was an energy drink, and I definitely don't drink those. Wow. That's very interesting. I would have never thought that it did not change. So I can't take that sale. Which I couldn't anyway because of the way that did that. Interesting. Huh. Yes, time frame. I got you. No, Scooby, you're fine. Yeah, the time-based chart, it'll always, even if I change it to like 30 seconds or something, just always pay attention to the bar at the bottom because I'll always make sure the bar is there so you guys know what chart that is over there. Just remember, I'm not using this to actually trade. It's just so that because my trades typically follow the structure of either a 1 second, 5 second, 10 seconds, sometimes 30-second chart. Usually 30 seconds is more like after 10 o'clock. But yeah, I just have it there just so you guys can see the structure that I'm trading, even though I'm not using it to trade, if that makes sense. You like liquid death too? Okay, see now I'm gonna do it. Matter of fact, next time I go to Ross, I'm gonna pick up some and I'm gonna wait until I stream to drink it so y'all can get my natural reaction. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. Such an interesting spot. Okay, I would have had to break even anyway. I just wanted to see if it was going to play out the way that it normally does, and it did. So I was okay with that, but I also knew that I was going to have to break even here, which it went about 14 ticks to hit the top of that zone. And you could see when it came down and wigged down, I would have broken even no matter what. So I don't like taking too many trades in the zone like that. It was a pullback to my major level, just a regular pullback, higher low, higher high, higher low, just a deeper pullback. But I just wanted to make sure that it was still going to work out the way that I thought, and it did. Couldn't take that one though. I'm gonna have to try to be so focused tomorrow because I legit just want to see how great my P&L can be when I'm not missing trades. I missed a lot of trades today. I'm not gonna lie. Now yesterday there just wasn't a lot of trades. But today, baby, today was a lot. Not purposely or anything though. I'm just trying to remove some of the unnecessary lines. But yeah, there was just a lot today and I missed them. I missed them. Unfortunately. So I'm gonna try to make sure I'm concentrating tomorrow. It's like I was looking at the charts, but the charts were moving and my brain wasn't. My brain just was not moving. I trust Applejacks. We're like twins, always hungry. I told y'all I've been hungry with y'all lately. I ain't gonna lie. I have. Cause I've been eating dinner at like 8, 9 o'clock at night, and I'm not used to that because I'm used to being up to like 2 in the morning. So I usually will eat dinner at like 10, 11 o'clock, knowing that I'm not gonna break my fast until about 2 to 5 the next day. But I've been doing a pretty good job of eating dinner early, and I'm hungry all the time now. Especially on days where, like, if the day before I either worked out or like walked on the treadmill, one of the two. Oh baby. Now I can redirect my stew into you. Wait, but okay, wait. Just hold on. My brain just ain't been working right. Hopefully I can get some decent sleep this weekend. That would help. Because like normally I don't get very good sleep during the week because I don't go to bed till 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. Not last night, but the night before, I legit could not fall asleep until 4 o'clock in the morning. There was nothing I could do about it. I was laying there. I wasn't watching YouTube videos. Like, I legit was just laying there. And eventually at like probably 3 o'clock, I'm like, okay, well, I'll just throw in a video because it's easy for me to fall asleep to a YouTube video. It doesn't matter how interesting it is. I can fall asleep to it. So I don't know. And then last night, I don't think I went to sleep until, I don't know, maybe like 2:30. I don't know. So I just feel like the accumulation of lack of sleep nights just hit me. I feel I can't take buys till we break. No worries. We just broke it. No worries. Just broke it just now. We didn't fully break it though. Not yet. As you can see, we're pushing back down. Now I can tell you that a lot of times when this happens, right when it's trying to break my middle level, we will reverse trends. Most of the time. Not all the time, but most of the time it is a trend reversal. right. Let's see if we push down below this zone here at the bottom. Oh my gosh. I told you, most of the time it's going to mean a trend reversal. Like I said, not every single time, but most of the time that's what it is. And that just comes from the chart time I've been putting in, honestly. Eventually, when you're no longer having to pay attention to certain things because, oh, I've solidified this setup, I've done this, I've done that, you just start paying attention to other little small things like that. I noticed that probably like last week. All right, and we are getting the 10 o'clock rush. I used to not take this sale, like taking this because the previous bar is on the zone as well. But I think I could take it as long as it's far enough away to give me space to break even if I need to. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, you almost caught me. The POC changed at the last second. You almost got me there. I would have been wicked out. I wanted it to stay in the wick, but it ended up pushing up to the body. I didn't want that. You almost got me. Good morning, Trenches. Good morning, good morning. How are you this morning? Why is my... Oh, because that... I think that last trade I didn't get put into the followers or something. So I've had my copy trader on all morning. All right, Apple Jacks. I did sit out of this one for a reason. Now that I saw it work, it did work yesterday as well, but so basically this is what happens. After a new low, if any of the half trends are weak levels, I don't typically take the trade, right? But what I noticed yesterday is that it's fine to take as long as it's divergence, which is what this is. This is alternate divergence. It's set up like that yesterday twice and won both times. Now, I would have came like 2 ticks from being stopped out. I don't really care about that. But I just needed to see it work again. So now I feel comfortable. So I could still keep the same rule. Like if this was a regular pullback, yes, but divergence is, it looks like it's fine to take. Let me make sure. Wait, that's not where it is. Yeah, the POC was in the wick. It was opposite volume like I wanted. The only reason I didn't take it was because the level was weak, but doesn't matter for divergence, it looks like. Which is cool. Good to know. All right, let me put y'all back on the right edge right here. So you can't stew in anger. Because I ain't even had to tell you. But no. I literally just noticed that yesterday. Because even when I back tested last week, I didn't write any of those down. Even the divergences. Because I'm just so used to no weak level trading after a new session low or high. Which makes sense why I was doing it. But divergence also is completely different from a regular pullback. So this will be interesting. I still don't know how I want to do one bar pullbacks. Set up how I would want it to, but I'm still not. I still don't know. I feel like what I've been noticing with the one bar pullbacks, and I'll just have to continue to pay attention to it because I'm still not trading them, is that they kind of need to be either they can hit my minor half trend, which is fine, but it either needs to be that or just kind of out in la la land, not touching anything, and don't touch nothing, period. Just don't touch anything. That seems to be what it is, but I'm still not all the way sure just yet. I don't know. And it's so weird because on the 20 in one chart, baby, one bar pullbacks was my jam, okay? But on the 16 tick chart, it does not work out the same at all. At all. I have so much to do today. As much as I want to take a nap, I highly doubt I'll be able to. And my eyes are just so tired. Good morning, Janelle. How are you this morning? I'm green, but laptop dead. Now I gotta go buy me a charger for my laptop. The universal isn't working? Oh, that sucks. Not you left yourself at motherfucker's crib. I need to sue for something other than what I'm currently suing for. Okay, well then, You know what? I will be your stewing punching bag just because. Even though I don't deserve the stewing, I'll allow it. I'll allow it. I really don't deserve it, but it's cool. It's cool. Now these divergences off of the session lows, I still don't really know. So maybe if it's the, I don't know. I gotta look at that later. So I still just don't know. Now I'm gonna tell you guys, any divergence trades for the rest of the session, I might sit out of, just because I still don't know how those work all the way. At least not with session lows. Now that trade was invalid though, because the POC was at the very tip of the wick. I don't take those at all. We don't like the tip. Ay, ay, ay. Now this is going to be interesting because I haven't taken this trade at all yet. And that's why I ain't taking it, because I don't know how I want it to work yet. And that's exactly why. That is exactly why. Oh, but I could have taken this. That sell is the one I'm still like questioning because of how it rotated over a different level at the same time. Just don't know. I just want the trades that I'm for sure about to set up. That would be nice. Anything else? I'm just I need to be stopped. Where's Granny? Granny is in the family room watching her TV. She already came in. I think she came. I don't even remember what time. Oh yeah, I wasn't on stream on time. That's why y'all didn't see me talk to her. But she in there. It ain't raining, so when it ain't raining, she wake up at her regular time. But baby, the last time it rained, I had to go check. I said, Granny, you alright in here? You feeling sick? You alright? She said, what time is it? I said, baby, it's 10 o'clock. She said, oh, let me get up. You know when it rains, I said, baby, I know, but you know, I'm cool with you not coming out at 9. I'm even cool with 9:30, but 10 o'clock, I got to make sure that you are right in here. Do you feel sick? She got up. She said, you know, when I start hearing that thunder, I just go right on back to sleep. But she's in there. And my mommy. Should have went with my first mind and bought a laptop. Wait. So because you left your charger, you was okay, big money. You left your charger, so you was just gonna buy a whole nother laptop? Let's see. Kind of screwed here. I can't take the next divergence at all. So we just gotta wait for the next pullback. Look at all these zones I have up here. Girl. Look at ya. I don't need that either. My eyes hurt. It's not good. All right, we have an immediate rejection. So let's see if we push through or we just push back down. That went through the body of the entry candle. So, yep, saved myself from a loss. This was a pullback to my half trend, my middle one, but we were on a level. So, no trade. I would have got stopped out just for it to consolidate and go. Sorry, guys. I'm a sad. Oh, buy here. We pushed too hard off that buy rotation level. Big money. That's why he was at a motherfucking crib. Please. Please. Oh my gosh. Why do you cut up so bad? Just a little $400 one. I was thinking about buying my little brother one, so it was just gonna be that. I made it back today. I feel you. Listen, when you could go buy something and then make the money right back in the markets the same day, next day, whatever, that's love. That's gonna be the life. You know what? I want to go on this expensive ass vacation. It's gonna be $2,000. Let's just go get in the markets real quick. That's why I be telling my mama, you don't understand. I gotta stick with this because it's literally printing money when you know what you're doing. But the problem is finding out what to do so that you know what you're doing. But nothing competes. Nothing. Nothing at all. Okay, wait, which was which? All right. That's still there. Okay. All right, we got 30 minutes. My eyes are sore. I didn't have my contacts in too long yesterday. I don't know what's up. What does it say? 100? Is it 100? Yeah. Have we wicked off the top of this yet? Nope. All right, that was the wick off the top. Cool. All right. Always got to make sure, like, so what happens is whenever I have a trade that rotates over the top of the zone like this, I want the POC to be outside of it, but only when we haven't seen like a trade off of it yet. Now that was the first trade off of it. So if it starts rotating over the top of it over here, it doesn't matter anymore. But you always have to do it until we actually use it as a level of support. Even though this went through the body of the candle, I just need a trade to use it as support first, basically. All right. Well, that was interesting. I don't want to take that though, because we're too close to where I would need to break even, unfortunately. And now we pushed too far down. My mama's coming with me to the Fever Aces game next month. She was like, these tickets high. I said, stop. I promise. Yeah, my sister was talking about that, how like the last 2 years, her and her boyfriend went to a couple of WNBA games, and they said they thoroughly enjoyed it. And they talked about how cheap it was, and like how the tickets are so much more expensive now. Just thug it out. Climbing with y'all, and I missed a move. See, you need to be over. Now I'm stewing in anger. Everyone, let's stew in anger at Applejack's all at the same time, so she feels it. Oh, girl, Applejack's, you sound like my mama. My mama does that. She'll do something and be like, you know how I am when Amber be da 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 da, or like, let's say it's one of my uncles, and she'll be like, you know, Uncle so and so be provoking me. Girl, if you a mess, you a mess, okay? And you're a mess on your own. Ma'am. She be cracking me up with that. She be like, oh, you making my hair hurt. You know how I am when y'all play too much. Girl. All right. We had an immediate rejection where the middle half trend changed trends. So we could do what we just did earlier and reject and push down, or we would need to start trading above there for it to make sense. Consolidation. Rude. Very fine man just walked by me. Girl, you are losing focus on everything. We making you lose focus. That finance man. Honey, get yourself together. We can't both be not focused today. I told you that's why I missed so many trades today. Just not focused. My brain does not compute today. Sell, buy. I might have to start using my back brace again, because my back has been not so great. Didn't take this buy. I would have had to break even there. And you guys can see we hit it to the tick and came right back down. So really just to me made no point in trading it. These divergences, I want to start paying a little bit more. Well, that one's invalid, but I want to start paying attention a little bit more to when there's a double bottom. I feel like certain rules with my divergence doesn't matter for that particular setup. Like how the zigzag is green and we're going for a buy, that doesn't matter. Right there, the POC was just literally in the wrong spot, but I want to pay a little bit more attention to those because I did used to really like trading them and I stopped. So, okay. Wait, where are you going? That's not valid. Something else, when the zigzag messes up in the middle of the trend, I need to also pay attention to that to see like if it matters or not. Because for me, I need to know that this zigzag would have been green, and I don't know because is it only based off of it messing up here, or would it have turned green there no matter what, you know? So that's something else that I've been I wouldn't say struggling, but just paying attention to, needing to be very aware of. Very aware of. That's what I thought. All right, 288. How am I gonna get through the day? I need to wash clothes, fold clothes, pack, wash my hair. All sleepy. How am I supposed to do it? My goodness. Damn it. POC was right on the line. So I couldn't take it. And I wanted to. It was literally right at 281.25. If it was just one tick above or below, I would have been fine. It's very clear that the market wants to continue down. Every time here, and now here that we've made an uptrend, we do this. It's an immediate rejection. I'm so tired. mean, every time. We got 15 minutes left. Good morning, Truth Seeker. How are you this morning? I'm gonna go get some water. It's in a place where I can't trade right now. Pretty sure. I'll be back. See how I feel after I'm done trading. Oh, why y'all ain't yell and tell me to come back to the shorts? I don't think I missed anything. I don't think. All right, so I have to figure out these early trend trades because I think I got it kind of. I think I'm noticing the pattern now. I'm not for sure yet, but I'm pretty sure. Inside, no level, no previous level. Yeah. I think we got it. And I didn't miss any trades while I was gone. Even though the market started twerking. I was in there talking to my grandma. She said, "Were you up all night on the game? Is that why you tired?" I said, "Mm-mm." She said, "Well, you know, you one of us. We need our naps." I never thought I would be that person that needed to take naps, but apparently I am. I really hate this cup, and I hate that I broke my other cup. My Vegas cup was so much better than this one. Very weird area here. Yeah, I told her, well, my best friend actually works a double today, so that's good. That means that I have all the time in the world to do whatever I need to do. So I'm going to put my second set of clothes in the wash, take a nap, then wake up and wash my hair, finish washing clothes, pack, and that should be that. Should be, hopefully. We'll see. And I'm going to turn my phone on Do Not Disturb. No alarm. And I'm just going to allow myself to just get whatever rest I need to get. Hopefully it doesn't take me super long to journal. I've been getting a lot faster though. Mainly because I'm starting to do really well with remembering the rules for certain setups. So that's helping. And because, you know, certain rules are solidified, there's nothing else to look at. It doesn't take as long to journal either because, of course, before my rules were completely solidified, if there was anything that I had like a question about, or like if the rule set was pretty lenient, then it was just with so many trades that I had to write down. But hopefully that's not the case today because I want to sleep. I need it so bad. Gonna wait 10 minutes. Zen lady, get on. Make you a little pin for your shirt that says, "No, I don't want Zen." Nacho slacking today. He only made approximately 3K per account. Listen. Oh, you know what? I have to go read I haven't been on Discord the last couple of days. I had asked him, like, since he's reached the level of success that he has, if he finds that it's easier or harder or, you know, the same, like, to stay focused. Because, you know, like, sometimes when you start reaching certain goals, you can get a little bit laxed, especially when you're reaching those goals off of your skill set, right? It's like, you know what? I don't feel like trading today, or I just want to take a break because I know I'm going to want to take a break. Am I going to? No. But I'm going to want to take a break. Like, this is legit from December till now has probably been the longest streak of me trading practically every day. You know, minus when we have rhythmic issues or, you know, stuff like that. I've traded practically every single day. So I'm tired. All right? And I have a right to be tired. So I know I'm going to want to take a break. But like I said, I'm not going to. But I just wanted to know, like, because everybody's different, you know? Some people, when they reach that level of success, they take a couple months off. It's all kind of things that people do. But I just wanted to know, because that, to withdraw $1 million from Apex is no easy feat. And for you to not only do that, but also already be up. I knew it. That's something that I noticed. KeAmber, you was smart. You was kind. But no, to do that and then, you know, already be up, what, 400,000 on the next set of accounts with the next prop firm is insanity. I wouldn't know what to do with myself. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Even being on the level of like Trades by Matt or Alpine, like, to make hundreds of thousands of dollars trading in a year is no easy feat. And for me to be somebody who, like, I'm not a big spender. I never have been. Even when I used to make $8,000 a month, I wasn't a big spender. I don't care about things. Now, baby, you gonna see me spend my money on some electronics. Oh, absolutely. A new camera, laptop, more RAM. stuff like that. But things, not so much. But that kind of money, baby, I would want to stop trading for like 6 months. Just cause. Just cause. Cause I will never be one of those people where like you make so much money and now you are increasing your expenses. That's where a lot of people get jacked up. A lot of people. You should be using that money to get out of debt. And if you want to, after you get out of debt, pick up a new car, things like that, okay. But to start making more money and add on to the bills that you already had, all you're doing is just keeping yourself in the same predicament. It's never how much money you have or how much money you make, it's how much money you keep. All right, we got 6 minutes left. I love his version of slacking. Listen. Instead of his usual 5 to 6K, look at you noticing. I thought you was about to say more Rams. Not more. Girl, no. No, I love his version of slacking too. I take that slack all day, every day. Now that's the one that I used to take. So I guess that one still works out. Yeah, I gotta figure this out. It's like a pullback to my middle half trend, but it rotates over the minor one, and I just don't know how to trade that right now. I don't. I really don't. When I tell y'all, I literally just wrote this down yesterday. Because I've been noticing how inconsistent it is, which is why I've been sitting out of it. So I'm just going to add today because it happened a couple of times today. But right now I only have... Oh, wrong day. Right now I only have like five examples, so it's not enough. So I'm just going to keep collecting until I have enough data for that for me to feel comfortable of, okay, this is the pattern that typically wins. This is the pattern that typically loses. If it typically loses, we're pushing you off to the side. And the ones that typically win, we'll be okay with. And we'll just have to leave it there. This trade was almost valid, but the PLC was neutral volume, so neither the buyers or the sellers were in control. Ain't she on fire today? Baby, she must have woke up on the right side of the bed this morning. Or maybe she got us cracking up because she doesn't want to stew in anger at herself for her trades that she been missing today. So she's just trying to keep us occupied so we don't stew with her. I think that's it. I think that's it. All right, we got 3 minutes. 1.2. Stopping now wouldn't be the most horrible thing in the world. But I am still gonna look for a trade. My back is killing me. I have to make myself laugh. Okay, Applejacks. I understand. But don't be too down on yourself anyway, because you already said like you started on a downward spiral because of the same stuff I was talking about the other day. So just remind yourself like you got to get back into the groove. It's not when you first of all going on a downward spiral period, mentally, emotionally, whether it's trading, life, whatever, that's not the easiest thing to recover from anyway. But it takes time, and then just getting back into the groove of being in the right headspace to trade, like noticing your setups, all of that stuff, it happens. It does. The wonderful world of trading. As much as we love it, we can also hate it sometimes too. Damn. Well, I was going to take the trade, but it decided to do something else. Thought we were going to reject here, which is where I actually wanted to see a reject. But you know, the market has a mind of its own sometimes. It came close. I had my finger ready. And because of that, I know I'm not going to get a trade now. All right, it's 20 seconds left. All right, that's it for the day, you guys. Where's my trade performance? All right, took 5 trades, won 3, lost 1, broke even on 1. 5, yep. And just like yesterday, just like all the other days, the loss is literally on me. That was I think it was divergence at my middle half trend, and it was covered, the entry bar was covering the entire zone. So we shouldn't have had a loss today at all. The break even actually was an invalid trade, which is why I broke even. I manually broke even. I was like, wait, POC changed. Get out. And that was that. All right, so let's do this. I'm telling you, Applejacks, we are so alike. I promise we are. All right, here's the accounts. So glad. So this is the account that I said I was just going to carry that balance forward from yesterday. And look at that. We are basically $55, $54 away from being back to full drawdown and full balance. Yay. Made a little bit of progress on the other 2 accounts as well. Now, account 24 does renew on Monday. So what I am going to do is double contracts on that particular account all day tomorrow. If I do get back to full drawdown before the end of the session, then I'm going to go back and reduce it back to 1 contract and leave it there. But starting the session, I'm definitely going to double contracts because I need about, what, 650. So definitely need to double contracts because honestly, if I do what I'm supposed to do, making $250 to $350 in a session is very easy. Like if I told you the number of trades I've missed today, not focusing, yeah. So it's just a matter of me doing what I'm supposed to do. That's really it. So good progress. I'm happy. And that's that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please like the video on your way out if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys.